Keep in mind, this is only at 50%. I can increase it to 75 and then 100. Let's go 100.
Enemies.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that brief montage of the ARRMA Granite GROM. My favorite color, green. She got pretty dirty, so I'm going to go home and clean her up a bit. If you're new to the channel and you like seeing videos of this type, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We would greatly appreciate your support. Also, don't forget to drop a like. That makes the YouTube algorithm happy. And leave a comment if you got this RC in particular. How do you like it? What do you dislike about it? Any upgrades you can suggest for NoPro? All those things would be helpful, and I would greatly appreciate your support. So yeah, until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace. Keep in mind, this is only at 50%. I can increase it to 75 and then 100. Let's go 100.